Good afternoon, everyone. So, today I would love to explain about the final venture under ATSFY Technologies, that is a semiconductor manufacturing plant named as ATSFY Technologies Microelectronics Manufacturing Facility Private Limited. So, while I was working on ATSFY Technologies creating an AI venture studio, I had developed or researched few of the market of the Tripura, and I came up to know that Tripura is producing a ton amount of the electronic wastes. This electronic waste can be recycled and reproduced in a way of producing their own semiconductor manufacturing plant or semiconductor manufacturing boards. Those can be implemented into the hardware devices. So this idea is totally about how we will do it eco-friendly and sustainably. This is the website. This is a PWA form of the website, that is progressive web application that has been created by me through the Manus AI. And here the website basically telling about from electronics assembly to semiconductor manufacturing plant. ATSFY will be doing it, the entire thing. Every details regarding the manufacturing plant that I have laid out over the few months of the market research is there. Strategic roadmap, phase wise roadmap, every details you will be getting here. Core technologies and the core products what we will be building. We will be building IoT sensor chips, we will be doing automotive semiconductors, we will be doing consumer electronics. After that, the power management ICs, analog mixed signals, and industrial and control. Now the innovation highlight is that we had added, because it will be startup, we need to have some kind of the innovation. So we have added the innovation. These innovations you can read it out aloud into the market. Research and the development focus, we will be next generation nodes, quantum computing, and the green semiconductors will be there. Phase 1 OSAT or ATMP facilities, outsourcing assembly test facility, backend process and transforming the everything, like every details that I try to explain in a certain amount of a paper. Rather than releasing it in the paper, I just built it into a kind of the website, or people who are interested in building up the semiconductor plant from the Tripura itself can come and have their views or can go through the details. I'll be protecting the ideas that I have written here in the website very soon. So it consists of all of the equipment, the technical specification needed to be done, and after then some of the authentic standards. Basically right now this is our way of strategical development of how we will process the economic or the e-waste, the electronic waste, into the raw materials for building our manufacturing semiconductor boards and all. Critical infrastructure utility requirement, this is just a blueprint, you can say. Currently phases wise SWOT analysis is already. SWOT analysis is very important, because while I'll do any kind of the startups, first I do the R&D, after that I try to come up with the SWOT analysis based on the market requirement and all. And after that, if there is someone who wants to join our product or who wants to collaborate with us creating the semiconductor plant, first semiconductor manufacturing plant from the Tripura, they are welcome. They can directly address their queries through this form. So the ending message is join ATSFY Technologies Microelectronics in shaping the India's semiconductor for the future. Thank you very much. This is just a description about my last and not the least but the last startup product that I will be building under the same ATSFY Technologies. My name is Ayan Pal. I am the founder of ATSFY Technologies. Please do have this demonstration with you people. Anyone who wants to collaborate with us, we are more than welcome. Thank you very much. Have a good day.